Title: Unlocking Vitality: Top Nutrition Tips for a Healthier You. Introduction. In a world bustling with fast-paced lifestyles, it's easy to overlook the importance of proper nutrition. But if you're looking to unlock a vibrant, energetic, and healthier version of yourself, paying attention to what you put on your plate is key. Welcome to our channel, where we're about to dive into some game-changing nutrition tips that will revolutionize the way you approach food and nourishment. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. 1. Balance is bliss. The power of macronutrients. A cornerstone of a well-rounded diet is a balance of macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbs fuel your body, proteins repair and build tissues, while fats support cell growth and provide energy. The key lies in moderation. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Our channel explores various recipes that encompass this nutritional trifecta. 2. Color your plate. Embrace the rainbow. An easy rule to remember is to fill your plate with an array of colors. Vibrant fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds help fight off diseases, boost immunity, and keep your skin glowing. Discover exciting ways to incorporate a spectrum of colors into your meals on our channel. 3. Hydration, your body's lifeline. It's not just about what you eat, it's also about what you drink. Hydration is the foundation of good health. Water aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and supports every bodily function. Herbal teas and infused water can add a refreshing twist to staying hydrated. Find creative ideas on our channel to keep thirst at bay. 4. Mindful eating. Savor every bite. In the rush of modern life, we often eat without truly paying attention. Mindful eating involves savoring each bite, acknowledging the flavors and textures. This practice not only enhances your enjoyment of food, but also prevents overeating. Our channel offers mindful eating techniques to help you cultivate a healthier relationship with food. 5. Choose whole foods, nature's gift to your body. Processed foods might be convenient, but they often lack essential nutrients and are loaded with additives. Opt for whole foods, those that are as close to their natural state as possible. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the vitamins and minerals your body craves. Join our channel to explore delicious whole food recipes. 6. Portion control. Less is more. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Portion control plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy weight and preventing overindulgence. Learning to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues can help you establish a balanced relationship with food. Discover portion control strategies on our channel. Conclusion. Embarking on a journey to better nutrition is a profound step towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Our YouTube channel is your companion on this path, offering insightful tips, mouth-watering recipes, and practical advice to transform your eating habits. Remember, your body is your most precious asset. Nourish it well. Don't miss out on our upcoming content. Hit the subscribe button to stay connected and embark on this exciting adventure with us. Here's to unlocking vitality through the power of nutrition.